2022 IRS Tax Refunds. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another breaking IRS news alerts and updates. Updated July 22nd, 2022 on the IRS.gov website. The IRS, unfortunately, still have 11 million unprocessed individual tax returns, including 2021 returns. 1.9 million returns require correction, and 9.1 million are paper returns waiting to be processed. As you know, because many of you are still waiting, this review can take 120 days or more. And as I have stated so many times in previous videos, call the Taxpayer Advocate Service 1-877-777-4778. Many are receiving assistance through the Taxpayer Advocate Service for their delayed tax refunds. Don't be discouraged by people making comments that the Taxpayer Advocate Service is not assisting anyone. They are assisting people. It depends on your situation. Don't be afraid to try to contact them, as well as your local state representative. And both videos on this process is pinned in the description as well as in the comments. All right, now moving on, this number may increase because the IRS has also updated that 19 million taxpayers required an extension, and they are encouraging those of you who filed for an extension to go ahead and start filing your tax returns. To do not wait until the October 17th deadline. So unfortunately, the backlog is likely to increase when all of those who filed for the extension, 19 million to be exact, according to the IRS.gov website, start filing. Hopefully, they will process the backlog, those of you that have been waiting more than 120 days first. Moving on to the amended tax returns, they still have 2 million on process. Forms 1040X, those are your amended tax return. And as I have mentioned before, it is taking them 20 weeks or more to process your amended returns. You can also check the Where is My Amended tool on the IRS.gov website for your amended returns, as well as contacting the Taxpayer Advocate Service for assistance. Now, the IRS is reporting they have processed all error-free returns. So if you are still waiting, there is an issue with your return and it needs to be manually reviewed. And I need to interject here. There have been many comments in regards to the identity verification process. It may say on the website that you have completed that identity verification process, but it has not been complete. I did a video on that. I will put it in the description box. There are two stages to identity verification. If you do not complete both stages, the process has not been officially updated on the IRS website side. And many are calling, then speaking with the Taxpayer Advocate Service and the IRS and finding out that their identity verification process was not complete. Make sure to watch that video on both steps or call the Taxpayer Advocate Service to make sure your identity verification process was completed. You can also schedule in-person appointments to do identity verification if you're unable to do so online. There is a video on how to schedule an in-person appointment as well, pinned in the comment section as well as in the description box. Now, the next expected direct deposit date shared is July 27, 2022. So hopefully many of you will be getting your money on that date. Make sure to share with us in the comment section if you did receive an expected direct deposit date for July 27th. Now, the IRS has also updated their IRS plan for the 2022-2023 2026 year plan, the 5-year plan. So here are their goals. Number one, they are working on improving service. It says provide quality and accessible services to enhance the taxpayer experience. Number two, enforcement, enforce the tax law fairly, as well as number three, transformation, transform IRS operations to become more resilient. And number three, sorry, I said four before three. Number three is to foster inclusive, diverse, and well-equipped workforce. So this is their 5-year plan. Here are their achievements for 2022. They are stating that 269 million federal tax return process, 492 million in economic relief payments issued. The average refund was $2,816, 75 billion in enforcement revenue collected, and 4.1 trillion in gross taxes collected. These are their achievements according to the plan. Here is the statement from the IRS Commissioner. If you're interested in reading this statement, you can take your time. But basically, he says here that the IRS remains dedicated to improving service to taxpayers, maintaining the integrity of their tax system, empowering the workforce, and supporting their partners, and modernizing the IRS system. All right, so you can take time to review that if you choose. And here are the taxpayer bill of rights. You do have rights, like I mentioned in other videos, so you can review your taxpayer rights if you feel that you are not being treated fairly, or if you feel the IRS is not following these rights. You can file complaints or disputes. That video is also pinned in the comment section if you want to know how that process works. All right, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Come back for all of the IRS breaking news, tax refund updates, and much more, shared daily, weekly. Everything you need to know is right here on this channel. And I will see every one of you again very soon. Bye-bye.